Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirits. Well, my wisdom warriors, I have few things to talk about today. Me say me a scroll on my phone and me buck up in a this. So, the principal director of the National Integrity Action, Daniel Archer, is suggesting that Prime Minister Andrew Holness make public his 2021 and 2022 statutory declarations to combat misinformation, disinformation, fake news, or alternative facts that may be circulating concerning why it has not been certified by the Integrity Commission. My wisdom warriors, want to hear what this person says? She's the principal director of the National Integrity Action called Daniel Archer. So, all right, my wisdom warriors. You see, with Andrew Holness declaration, it is not a fake news. It is not a no misinformation. Yeah, it is the facts. You understand? It is the facts. Andrew Holness not declaring asset. He is under ongoing investigation with the Integrity Commission. And I'm not now hide. Even when you hear Andrew Holness come out and talk about how he keep quiet and blah, 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 Andrew Holness need for bring in all his income for show to the people them. And him a take long for do it. And him claims that he did bring in some. You understand? But then right back to him. Remember, say Andrew Holness did come and talk about it, good while ago, You understand? So there is more things needed. And that the people them are wait pan. So basically, Andrew Holness in cannot declaring things them. So when people are talk about declaration and stuff like that, him have to declare and him have to show proof of how him getting money. How him getting money, expenditure, income and all these things. If Andrew Holness cannot do that, that means that something is hiding, my wisdom warriors. Wanna hear me? On top of that, the ministers them talk about it. Andrew Holness in place a gag order on the parliament, the ministers actually, on the ministers, for not talk about it. Wanna hear me? In place a gag order that is a so-called cabinet policy, which is wrong, which is totally wrong. So Andrew Holness need to come and tell the Jamaican people what he has done, and not only that, he put a gag order upon the Integrity Commission too. You need to come and tell the Jamaican people the truth, Andrew Holness. Nobody out here is not telling any lie on you. You're just a liar, Prime Minister, and because we talk it raw, as how it is, it hurt you. You're vexed. Because you want everybody to stuck up to you and love you up. Nobody not depend that. You hear me? Nobody not depend that. Because from you now do good, you need to move up. You understand me? You need to lift up from out of House of Parliament. So my wisdom warriors, I agree with this lady, Daniel Archer. I agree with her. Andrew Holness need to come and tell us and talk about it. But honestly, the reason why Andrew Holness not going to talk about it, because he placed a gag order upon the Integrity Commission and he come and place a gag order and he ministers them for they not talk about it. You understand? Because he want to keep a secret. Why would you do, if you're not hiding anything? My question to Andrew Holness, if you're not hiding anything, why would you put a gag order on your ministers? Why would you do that? Something not right. Something is not right. And you need to come and tell the Jamaican people the truth. You, Andrew Holness, have been doing things behind the scenes. You have been doing bad things behind the scenes. And when the opposition leak out against it, you come out and I tell the Jamaican people lie. Everything you lie about. You are the same very one will come out and tell us about some more agreement. And when you see the Christian community not happy, the churches them not happy, you say, all right, you're not going to sign it. You and Kamina Johnson come out and say, no, not going to sign nothing. Then 2 years later, uno make uno ambassador down a Belgium go sign it on the behalf of Andrew Holness. And then uno keep quiet. And that is what you guys do. And uno now come out and tell Jamaican people the truth. But let me tell you something. You see, the diaspora, the people in the diaspora is a big threat to Andrew Holness. Let me tell you why. You see, when Andrew Holness go to countries, my wisdom warriors, and sign things, let me tell you, other countries don't hide things from their citizen. So anyway, go and sign with, anybody when go and sign with, them are going to make we know. We the people when at the diaspora know everything. So while Andrew Holness a trick on up on the ground, he can't trick the people them in the diaspora. That is the thing. That is the problem. That's why I'm so stressed about the diaspora, because he knows that we are talking facts. And majority of the time is what Andrew Holness come out and talk, we elaborate on it. I heard in the last video that I posted, Dana Dixon, the information minister, she was mentioning, you know, how would you find if the news is real? And she said, go and check the media. Yeah, that are the long time media. All of my news, them when me read, most of my news, them, 99% of my news, them, is from the media houses. You understand me? So when me hear them talk about things, and even with the other bloggers them too, them always get for them things from the media houses too. So what are you saying? We want to know to explain to it properly, you know. Are you saying that the media houses them a tell lie? Because that's how the bloggers them a get their information from. You understand? And one thing with me, when me see them come out with things, me still go do my research and double check and make sure that me have evidence and proof for every single thing. You understand me? But I want Andrew Holness to look in his cabinet, because you see, me can talk in my wisdom warriors, because you see, he MP them, you know, tell lies all over upon Twitter, and me screenshot everything and have them. You know, hear me? Me screenshot every single thing. Not one thing me no pass. Not one thing. One thing. So when me come out here, I just come out with some out. Me have proof of everything. So when me hear Andrew Holness attack, Andrew Holness is a liar Prime Minister. I can say that without no apology. I can say it because I see where he lied all the time. Andrew Holness come out and say, then track down a youth. Them track down a youth, and others, them are going to track down too. That him say. Then you have the information minister, Dana Dixon, come out and said, the government is not engaged in tracking down. You see? So when we talk about these things, when we say we are give out misinformation, Andrew Holness come out and say that, and we elaborate on it. And then you, Dana, come out and say something different. This is why we call, you know, Jamaica liar party. Because you lie. Like, really and truly. It is so sad. You coming out here. You, information minister Dana, coming out here. Arguing with bloggers. While the healthcare system is failing. Huh? The healthcare system is failing. You're an information minister. Why don't you reach out to the healthcare team and talk to them? Encourage them. Make sure that they get equipment and stuff like that for the little babies them. Eh? That for sure say uno not have no plan surrounding Jamaica. If a disaster if happen right now, a lot of Jamaican people are going to lose their life because of the negligence and the carelessness of Christopher Tufton healthcare system. And this is why we want Christopher Tufton to go. And this is why we want Andrew Holness to go. On top of that, Andrew Holness break the law of the lands all the time. He break the law in, he break the law out. And this is not right, my wisdom warriors. This is not right. You understand me? If you're a prime minister, the first thing you need to do is to cite the code of conduct. You were the same very person that tell Integrity Commission that yes, do the workshop and do the training and everything. And when you do it, I know you turn a blind eye. Not one of the Jamaican Labour Party signed the code of conduct. Me talk about it all the time and I not now hide my wisdom warriors. If you no go over the website, Integrity Commission put out everything. They not hide nothing from we. So lie we are tell upon you Andrew Holness because they say we are give out misinformation. But really and truly, UNO is the one that is doing that. Me like when you come out and talk, so that means that you go clap down upon your liar supporters them. We're out of them first of the attack. Them first. Because I don't understand you. I don't understand this administration. This administration is the worst. Jamaican people, when you see Andrew Holness had a big project, Jamaica not earn nothing from it. The project that what Andrew Holness is doing is private-public partnership. That means if we have to go pay money, we don't want that. Jamaican people, they don't have money like that. Some people have, some people don't have. So we have to think about the people them that don't have it. You don't come on everything you have investor stakeholders. When investor come in and invest, and when stakeholder come in and stakeholder, you know things you have for free, they have to get back their money. They have to earn money. So this is what I don't understand. This is what I don't really understand. So Andrew Holness, you now fix up your falligon. That's why me tell us you have to lift up from outer house of parliament. You and your wife have to lift up. You don't need to leave. You need to fire Christopher Tufton. And Jamaican people, me don't understand why you don't sit down with this and think it's okay. Come like you don't have no understanding. You don't have no understanding. You don't have understanding. You don't see what is going on. When the Prime Minister rise up and put in pressure upon Uno feel lick out against it and make him know say I feel with Jamaica this. Uno have to do that. What Uno go wait for? Uno just sit down and Uno no care because you not happen to Uno. So what happen to when it happen to Uno? What Uno go do? Come on Jamaica, I want to fix up, I want to look into this, I want to look into self, my Jamaica people. And the time is now. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. You can run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got in the comment section. Also, feel free to support my movement by blessing up my PayPal and my Zelle. The link I got in the comment section. You can reach me on my WhatsApp. My number is 876-236-1997. Blessings upon blessings upon blessings. One love.